Hello, everybody. My name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from in30minutes.com. Today, I'll be talking about a new feature in Twitter that lets you hopefully reduce these things. These are auto-playing GIFs or GIFs. Basically, people put them in their tweets to attract a little attention. Maybe they're kind of funny or cool, but some people find them to be incredibly irritating. And actually, the new version of Twitter has a way you can cut down on these things. Not to mention ads that show ads that kind of autoplay, like this one. I mean, if basically on my feed nowadays, there's lots of autoplay videos and GIFs and GIFs and ads and stuff like that, and I just want to get rid of them because it's real. I find them to be really distracting for my Twitter experience. Here's how you do it: log into your Twitter account. This is twitter.com, home. Click on More, Settings and Privacy. Go to Content Preferences. Where did it go? Actually, I'm in the wrong area. Go to Data Usage. And this is the one that you're looking for: autoplay on cellular or Wi-Fi. So select whether videos and GIFs should play automatically on this device. By default, it's checked. But what I do is I switch it to never. And then there's another area where maybe it's accessibility. Oh yeah, in accessibility, there's another one that says reduce motion, limit the amount of in-app animations, including live engagement counts. What they're talking about there is sometimes when you like something or someone likes you, like the heart will turn into like sparkles, and you can check that off if you want to reduce the amount of those. And then hopefully when you go back to your home, you'll see fewer of them. So look at this. This is that same tweet of the bird who was eating something before. Now it's frozen. And it gives you, if you want to see it, it'll give you a little play icon, and you can take a look at that. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching. I have a book on Twitter called Twitter in 30 Minutes. I think it's on the next page here. Go to in30minutes.com here it is, in30minutes.com/shop, or click on the shop icon in the right corner, and you can see Twitter in 30 Minutes on the second page. Thank you so much for watching.